Weight loss products, how to spot a scam. There is a good chance that you will start your weight loss program. When many individuals start their weight loss programs, they do so with the help of several weight loss products, like diet pills or exercise equipment. If you are interested in buying these types of weight loss products, you need to always be on the lookout for scams, as they do exist. When it comes to weight loss products, like exercise equipment and diet pills, many people automatically wonder how they can tell if they are being scammed. Unfortunately, you often cannot tell by reading an advertisement in a magazine or online, or by watching a television infomercial, or even by looking at the weight loss product in question. The best way to determine if the weight loss product you are interested in buying is worth your money is to do research first. When it comes to researching weight loss products, there are several different ways that you can go about determining if the product or products you want to buy are worth the cost. One of the easiest ways to go about doing so is by visiting the online websites of retailers that allow their customers or the general public to rate or review their products. Many consumers like to alert others to a product that is a waste of money, or even alert others to a product that is well worth the cost. If you can find weight loss product reviews, you are advised to read them. When reading weight loss product reviews, like product reviews for diet pills or exercise equipment, it is important to remember that no product is perfect. Even the best products, like the ones that come highly rated and recommended, will have a few bad reviews. What you need to be cautious of is any weight loss product that has more bad reviews than it does good reviews. This is a surefire sign that the weight loss product in question may not be worth your money. You can also find product reviews or just specific weight loss products being discussed by performing a standard internet search. When performing a standard internet search, you will want your search phrase to be the name of the weight loss product in question. Your standard internet search may lead you to online message boards where weight loss and other health issues are being discussed. These types of websites and message boards are a great way to also learn about weight loss products that you may not have otherwise come across. Another way that you can determine if you are being scammed by a weight loss product is by examining the online website of the product distributor or manufacturer. When you buy a diet pill or another weight loss supplement, you should be provided with as much information as possible. Be cautious of any product whose website only claims to help you lose weight, but doesn't explain how it is done. The same can be said for exercise equipment. Another great way that you can determine if the weight loss products you are interested in buying are worth the money is by speaking with your doctor. Oftentimes, you don't even have to schedule a visit, a telephone call should get you the answers that you are looking for. Most doctors can let you know if a weight loss pill or supplement that you are interested in buying is worth the money. If they can't tell you about the specific product in question, there is a good chance that they can at least review the ingredients with you. For exercise equipment, your physician may also be able to provide you with advice. Of course, if you have the money to spend on weight loss products, you may be interested in going ahead and buying the product or products in question anyways. That is fine to do, but you also need to remember that many weight loss products, especially the ones featured on television infomercials, are priced relatively high,